My name is Nasim. I'm an assistant teaching professor with the Faculty of Engineering and Applied Science. I teach electronics, electric circuits, digital systems, and communications. My bachelor's in electronics and master in communication systems, both in Shiraz University in Iran. I did my PhD in signal processing and ultrasonic imaging here at UIT. My research field is data and signal processing, and I did most of my work on ultrasonic imaging for non-destructive testing applications. I always knew I wanted to study engineering. I chose electrical. After graduation, I worked for communication industry for 10 years. At the same time, I started to teach at a college, and I absolutely loved it. I realized that I greatly enjoy helping people to achieve their goal and succeed. So at that time, I was ready to go back to school. I got my master's and PhD and pursued my career in academia. I think the coolest project I've ever been involved was ultrasonic imaging for non-destructive testing applications. The project was funded by industrial members of UNINI, OPG, Bruce Power, and AECL. In this project, we propose new algorithms for imaging multi-layer materials. I have to say, ultrasonic imaging is a popular technique for non-destructive testing, although things get challenging when it comes to multi-layer materials. The sound velocity and propagation path change when sound travels from one layer into another, and that makes calculating sound travel time complicated, and that's why it's not easy to localize a target inside multi-layer materials. I did that project during my PhD with Dr. Shahbaz Panahi. I worked on mathematical data model and algorithms. I also applied algorithms on real experimental data that we received from our industry partners. All in one, I can say we introduced 3 different imaging algorithms for multi-layer materials, which has been published in IEEE Transactions on Signal Processing. When I finished that project, with the experience I got in data and signal analysis, I started a new project, a very interesting one, to predict a student success in the courses I teach using machine learning techniques. I think it might seem fancy at first, but if it works, it really helps to change the way that we design our courses and the way we should advise our students. I think I would do that with more confidence. It would be a peace of mind if I know for sure that I can do it. For most of the courses I teach, it's not hard to apply active learning since they involve mostly analysis and design. Most of the courses I teach has a lab component, so students have a chance to get hands-on experience. I believe my role is not just to deliver materials as a course, but to create a framework for students to take new material, integrate it with something they already know, and apply it to a problem and then assess their solution. I do that by designing engaging lessons, assignments, class activities, and projects. I think the relationship I built with students is very valuable. There are a few moments that I enjoy it more. I can say seeing someone succeed in something that initially I struggled with, it's something I really enjoy. The fact that you motivate them and be part of that, it's really rewarding. There are also rare moments like thank you notes or comments on the course evaluation. These are just great moments that you experience as a professor. A lot of people think that teaching is an easy job, but I believe that teaching is a difficult profession. You have to have a comprehensive knowledge of the material that you are teaching. Also, you have to be able to deliver this material to people who are not necessarily at the same learning level. I recently participated in Certificate in University Teaching program offered by Teaching and Learning Center. The knowledge I gain in learning theories and teaching styles and strategies was really valuable. I also got a chance to connect with other instructors and share my experiences and learn from them. I should say the first lecture is stressful for everyone. You want to have a great lesson plan, you want to apply active learning, you want to use technology, you want to engage a student, and at the same time you want to look professional and confident, and the whole thing is so overwhelming. So just be relaxed and try to improve a little bit next time. Connect with your colleagues, maybe visit their lecture and learn from them. If you are committed to deliver a good job, you will be fine, and soon you will learn what works best for you, your personality, and your curriculum.